U.S. Supreme Court ruling is sending shockwaves through the pork producing industry. That is tonight's top story. The ruling says pork producers who want to sell pork in California have to comply with California's Proposition 12, which regulates how pigs are raised, requiring 24 square feet of space for pregnant pigs for a pork operation to comply. The Supreme Court vote was 5-4, with Justice Neil Gorsuch writing for the majority. While the Constitution addresses many weighty issues, the type of pork chops California merchants may sell is not on that list. Fox 18's Lindsay Tobin has reaction to the ruling.
I'm a little surprised, actually really surprised, that the Supreme Court upheld Proposition 12 out there.
Local farmers right here in Scott County are not only frustrated with the Supreme Court ruling, they're confused as well. They don't understand why California may be able to dictate some of the practices that we use right here in the Midwest. Neil Kepi, a local farmer, says the technology used in the buildings today makes the best environment to raise a pregnant pig. He says the temporary small space they are put in is to prevent the mother from accidentally lying on her babies,
which was the whole point, to get away from raising them in an open area in a group. And so we don't want to go back to that way. That's not a very good way of doing it. We improved how we raise pigs by doing what we're doing.
These infrastructure changes could cost millions of dollars to farmers.
That's a big deal because it requires infrastructure change. Like us as farmers would have to invest sometimes millions of dollars to reconfigure the barns so that it meets that criteria.
Costs that are likely to go to the consumer.
We should all do what we're good at and then have trade work like the marketplace is designed to make it work, not with burdensome regulations.
This fight isn't over yet. There's still some congressional avenues that producers are going to take. In Davenport, I'm Lindsay Tobin, Fox 18 News.